Ngirimiti ino ikaniriirwo gatagati ka University ya Danubius iria iri bururi-ini wa Romania na University ithano guku bururi-ini iria ni hamwe na University ya Amref, Strathmore, University ya Kabarak, University ya Moi Orodumwe na University ya Pwani. Arugamiriri a university ici ni mayukĩtie ikinya rĩrĩ makiuganĩre guteithĩrĩria arutwo a gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Orodumwe na mabũrũri mangĩ thĩinĩ wa gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika ya irathĩro kwĩgwatĩra ikĩro cia igũrũ cia mathomo iria irakũrĩkana thĩinĩ wa mabũrũri ngũrani ma gĩtarũ kĩa Europe.
So I think from this experience we should be able to also find ways and means of supporting some of our students who come from marginal areas who need this education, but it has always been a little bit difficult.
Oho university ici ni igukorwo ikihota gutwarithia na mbere tabarĩra ya ucenjania wa arutwo na arutani na gukorwo ikinyitanĩra thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ngũrani cia uthuthuria.
The benefits that we are going to gain from this particular collaboration is the exchange of students and staff. They'll be able to gain so much when they go to Danubius and also when they come to Kenya. That exchange of knowledge is very important to use both scientific and indigenous knowledge.
Definitely there has to be a dialogue between the two institutions, and there has to be an agreement on how we are going to treat the element of fee payment to bring about affordability.
Kuringana na Dr. Steve Michael, murugamiriri wa University ya Danubius, unyitaniri uyu ni ukuhura njeki ikiro cia mathomo guku bururi-ini na kwambatiria Kenya thĩinĩ wa ngathi ya kimabũrũri.
Training people for global leadership means understanding the world so that it can be best effective at home in a shrinking world. So we lift up humanity and make the world a smaller place. That is what global education ought to be.
Ngirimiti ino oho no itanyitwo kuhingura mweke kuri makiri ma mbeũ njĩthĩ kwĩgwatĩra mawĩra thĩinĩ wa mabũrũri ma Rũraya.
Many of the challenges that we're facing as a coastal region is the aspects of unemployment. And so how are we bridging that gap? How are we bringing, elevating our students, elevating our youth to be able to be competitive out there? And this is what it's all about.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngena wa Wadũrwa.